Good evening, Rajeshwari.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Better start your video at least 5 minutes, Rajeshwari.
My video is not available. Like I'm sitting in my seat and explaining, ma'am. As there is some testing is going on in the room. It's conference
Do
room.
you have a camera
No,
attached
ma'am.
to that system?
No system. They are testing something. It seems, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Am I audible? No one is responding.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Actually, turn on your video.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
No, Rajeshwari. You are not audible. We can't hear you.
Now, ma'am.
Check your audio settings. Five minutes prior to your session, you should check your audio settings. It's clear only, no, you should go to Zoom client on that PC and check. I can't hear you. What about others? Bhishma and Naresh?
I
Is
can hear,
Rajeshwari
madam.
audible?
Yes, ma'am. It is audible.
Bhishma, can you hear my
Yeah,
voice?
I can hear your
He's saying
voice.
it's clear only, ma'am.
Is it clear, ma'am? Now? Hello.
What's the problem? I can't hear Rajeshwari. Let me check my audio settings. First, my
Can you hear me, madam?
first microphone. I think the problem is at my end only. No, output level is good. Let me join the session.
Okay, rejoined.
Hello.
Yeah, Rajeshri, you are audible now.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is like I'm giving a session from my seat only, ma'am, because there is some testing going on in the conference room, it seems.
Huh.
There is no system in the conference room, ma'am.
Actually, yesterday it got fumigated, madam, due to some bad order and all.
Okay, okay.
So that's why it's closed.
Okay, okay then. Okay, Rajeshwari.
Okay, ma'am.
Go on.
Yeah. Yeah, today, dear team, good afternoon. Today I'm going to explain on the glossaries. So the PPT which I'm on, I'll
Not
share
only
this.
not only glossaries. Now you'll be able to showcase your OER literacy also, right?
Yeah, this is the PPT presented by me, ma'am. Yeah. So the term glossary can be defined like these are definitions of the key term. It's an activity module which enables the participants to create, and it can be listed in the. So it can maintain the list of definitions like same like a dictionary in the book. And coming to the prescribed glossaries, we can create a glossaries in the ebook like content directly from the source, like which is we can create a new glossary, or else add an abbreviation to the like add an definition to the existing term even.
Okay, okay.
So
So first part is Moodle glossary, right?
yes, ma'am. First part is a Moodle
Then
glossary. The
you
second
forgot
one
you
is
forgot to add the word Moodle in the first part.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then.
So these are the terms like what you are going to get in the glossary when you are using the glossary tool. The first one is the features and what it displays. Second one is creating a glossary term, and third one is creating a glossary list. So here the different.
Question to the entire team. So use case scenario in IBS to the entire team. Glossary. What's the use
Yeah.
of glossary to the entire team, not only you?
It's a kind of a dictionary, ma'am. I mean,
No,
in
no,
that particular.
that she has already explained in that use case, how faculty members or students use this. Use case scenario means how this is useful to improve, no, I should not say improve the quality of learning. So to engage students in uh, the learning process. So always you should have in that mind how
Easy
our
way of
faculty members use this and how students get benefit out of this any functionality, any model or any functionality or anything. So that is the use case scenario. So and also you should be able to explain in this IBS teaching methodology. So ours is a case-based methodology. In that, some
okay.
complex terms will be there. So in order to introduce to those complex terms, glossary will be useful. So always bring in that IBS. How do you teach, and how any module or functionality is useful for our students. Okay. So
Yeah.
that is what I expect you to use. Case scenario means that is how we use
I
it.
mean, like, is it important terminologies for that particular topic, like that kind of?
Yeah, complex. Yeah, important and complex. And also,
Okay.
Bhishma, generally, we 50% of our students may not be from the commerce or management background. I mean, BBA background.
Okay.
So, especially for those students, initially introducing, though it's a simple term, as you said, important terms are there in the at least for the students who are non-commerce or non-management students. So, that is the use case. I
Okay.
guess. Okay, Ma, go on.
Okay. So these are the three points which when we are using a glossary tool. The first point comes to the glossary features and displays. Here you can create the individual glossary terms or fully glossary list. Like we have glossary terms can be created one by one, and all the created glossary terms can be viewed in a list wise, like alphabetical wise. That I'll be showing in when explaining the
Okay.
creating the terms. So how can they be identified in the ebook? Like they are underlined and bold in the letters. When you click on that word, you can get the definition or else the description given to that key term. So that will be used where it can be used is the press books or the web books, and the definition in a tooltip when it is clicked. So the glossary, it can also, it displays in all supported formats, as we are already using in the ebooks and all. These are the examples given.
Okay.
And as I told you, it will one by one the glossary terms are created, and it will be consolidated and shown in the last, like a back matter. We'll take it as a back matter, and there it will be listed as a like alphabetical order. Okay.
Good, you are using Pressbooks terminology, back matter, front matter.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. So the first one is that. Second comes to the creating a new glossary term. So this is the process to create a new glossary term. So there are two ways to create the glossary terms in the Crucible. First one is the directly from the tools. There we are, as shown in the like ebooks, there will be clicking on the dashboard, you will get the organizing what do you call the information within the organization. You can directly use the term like tool glossary terms. On clicking the glossary term, you can get add the terms one by one, like what all the words you can include the glossary as a glossary, you can add one by one. So this is the screenshot taken while creating a glossary term. So here is a glossary term created by us. Here you can give an add a title and show if you that it should be shown in the ebooks. So for that purpose, you need to compulsory click on the showing glossary text. Otherwise, it cannot be shown on the web book. So to you create a that was the one method, and here it is the other method directly from the content editor. Like already the glossary term has been like the ebook has been created. There you wanted to create a glossary, you have to go on a particular word first of all, where you wanted to give a description to the particular keyword. Click on that keyword and click the option GL, as you are showing, it is showing in the toolbar. So GL is a glossary. There it will the interface will appear. There you have to like create a glossary, or you will be having a two options: create a new glossary or create edit the existing glossary. So whatever you wanted to go for an option, you can do it. So here I don't have an option as a corporate. I have taken an example, the book, recent book, that is Introduction to Financial Analysis. From that para only, I have chosen the word corporation. There I have chosen the corporation. As you are seeing here, I have clicked on the corporation word and clicked on the glossary term. There I am using a create and insert the term. So here, as I told you before, here the two options are available. That is create and insert term and choosing the existing term. So I have taken the create and insert term. There you have, there you will get the term I as a corporation, because you have already selected the word corporation. The description, it will be taken from the search items like price books, where you from where you have taken the source. So there you will be giving the description of that one, and clicking on the insert, the glossary term has been created. So after the glossary term has been created, you can see the like a created glossary as shown here. So you can see the code, shortcut code, which appears like this.
That is under the content editor, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. It is under
Okay.
the content editor.
Okay.
So after this is in the like editing the text to book, like
Editing
editing the
mode.
book,
Yeah,
you
editing mode.
will get it in the code language.
Yeah.
Whereas when you visible the book like web book, this part will be like the corporation glossary term will be seen like this to the viewers. So
Once you
when
click, once a student clicks on this, right?
yeah, once the clicking on the word what you have created the term, there you can directly see the description or the definition, whatever it may be, of the
In a pop-up
particular word
window. Yeah.
in a pop-up box. So this is the second way of creating an from the editor, using the editor. Now linking an term, existing term. So now I have already having the glossary term, but I have number of definitions according to like various definitions. So for that, I'll be using the same thing. You have to go to the text or the like para, and whatever you want, wherever you want to insert the glossary term, go to the particular word and click glossary glossary icon. On that, instead of creating a new and insert term, here you have to choose the existing term because the word is already there, but you are giving the other definition. So I'm using clicking on the choosing term, you will get the drop down box. The whatever word you are selecting, you will get the drop down box. From there, you have to choose the box, like choose the word. And the second one, as usual, you can just select the term and insert the description of that. Clicking on the insert, it will be edited the existing term. So this is the process of linking the editing option using the glossary term, ma'am.
Good, good.
Yeah. So now the glossaries has been created. The glossary number of glossary terms have been created. Now you how to create a glossary list. So it will this glossary list is nothing but the containing all the terms whatever we have created. So there uh, to like we will show it in the back matter of the book. So as a same way, you will click on the organization, and at last you will have an option as a add back matter. Within the back matter, you have to give the title as a glossary, and also you will have the options like uh, in the ebook to the right side of the web page, you will have the drop down box like glossaries, or else the library objectives and all. So when you are choosing the you are going for the glossary, so you have to click the glossary and click on the create create and save it. Then only the item can be added to the back matter. So on clicking the and saving it, you will have the you will be glossary will be appeared on the web page as shown in the like this. It will be creating as alphabetical list. So this is how the list has been created. This comes to the glossary. This is a training, ma'am. That's all.
Now we'll
Is
move
it
on to the
correct, ma'am?
hands-on. Huh?
Short and short. Yes, ma'am.
No, it's good, it's good, Rajeshri. You want to start your demo with Moodle glossary, or you want to focus only on Pressbooks?
So I have already like created this introduction to financial analysis, ma'am. Some
Mhm.
glossaries have been created. Yeah. So this I will show you.
Okay, it's already structured. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. It's
This book.
already structured.
No, but go back to this previous page. So you need to change the authors and all. You cannot take undue credit now. So IBS Elan is there.
Ah, yes, ma'am. This is being changed by like I have explained to
No,
Bhishma, ma'am. He's doing it.
then make it private. Go to the
So
admin of this page. Go to the admin of this book and make it private. So go to organize.
yeah, it is
Yeah,
already
it's
private
already
only,
private.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Then you need to, who is changing this authors
Uh,
and
I am changing, madam.
Bhishma, ma'am. Bhishma
oh,
is
okay,
doing that.
okay, okay. Once it is ready and once the structure and everything you compare with that original book, and once it is ready, then only you can make it public.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
Actually, page by page, I am doing that justification is because all that alignment and indent
Alignments
is to
and
be
all is
changed.
there, ma'am.
EPUB, EPUB generally you need not rework on each and every page.
No, ma'am. It
No,
is
ma'am. We
taking.
adjustment alignment is not same, ma'am. For
No,
EPUB also.
you imported the original EPUB, or
EPUB, ma'am. No, no.
No,
original EPUB?
original
Original.
only, ma'am.
Original
Original
only.
only, ma'am. Downloaded as EPUB and imported the file, ma'am.
Actually, if we get this XML format, then it would be easy for us. Though we need to again change the cover page and all, but you always need, once you import this, you need to change the authors first. So we cannot take
Oh,
the
okay, ma'am.
credit. No, that is important. Okay. And
Okay.
under book info, you get all these information, then you need to change that. So the other day, Bhishma's question was, if once I import, why can't I get the entire book restored and all without creating a new book?
Yeah.
How do you create restore a course on Moodle, Bhishma? Same logic applies here. First, we
But ma'am,
create.
that's what I discussed with Naresh and Rajeshwari also. For my account, I don't have an option to create a book. That's where I got confused that without creating a book, how I can because
You don't have admin controls.
no,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
No, 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 ma'am.
Okay, okay. I'll give you admin controls.
That's the reason I was.
See,
I mean, I was checking with
same
them.
logic applies. Even on Moodle also, first we create a course, then restore
Yes, yes,
from
yes,
the
ma'am.
backup.
That's true. Yeah.
Same is the case here in this. Okay.
Yes.
So here some glossaries have been created, ma'am. So the other one more thing important is you can just as it you can take the source glossary source where we have taken. So and
Last time
include
we
that.
did for most of the books like this only, no? So
No, all the
we,
books have been completed, ma'am. Which
no,
are
no, no.
all the
We followed the same practice, no?
yes, ma'am.
Source of the glossary, we followed the same
Yes.
practice. We wanted to
Yeah.
promote open educational resources. That is the reason we had.
Uh,
So no, rarely you find these glossary sources in various open textbooks. Only in IBS ebooks only we find this
yeah.
source
So
for
the
glossary.
same thing you can give it as a source, but you have to give it in the front matter. Ma'am, here I have a doubt. Why can't we give it in
Yeah.
this glossaries only? Like where we have
Sorry?
created,
Sorry?
where we have created the glossary, like a listing of glossaries is there, no, ma'am?
Oh, so you want to add this in the back
Same in
matter?
the same page. Yeah, in the same page. Why can't we add? Can we
No,
add
no.
this?
So for each glossary item, you cannot add this source. No,
No, not each glossary, ma'am. At last, bottom of the page, I'm asking.
no, no. You show me how you want to add that.
Yeah.
Show me your
Uh,
idea. How you want to add this?
yes, ma'am. I'm showing. So these are the glossary terms I have added, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So why can't we add it here? Like
No, no. How do
last
you
after all
see?
the.
No, no. If you add it as a glossary term, then only it will be visible under glossary. If you add a new page, then you can add as a sources of glossary. You go to it. You go to edit. Edit that. The reason we wanted to make all these available is we wanted to acknowledge
Mm.
the sources when we start students start learning from the book, so that
Okay.
they can visit those sources and learn more. If at all, say for example, if we have taken only 10 glossary terms from that OER resource,
Yes, yes.
they may explore. So that is the reason we wanted to promote from the
Okay.
starting point. And that's the only reason. You wanted to add this now. If you want to add, you can add it. But the
Okay.
reason we wanted to have it at the front matter is we
Okay.
wanted to encourage students to explore more.
Okay.
Say, for example, if I have BBA background, maybe the glossary terms that you have provided are more than enough for me. But
Okay.
if I'm a newbie, if I can get more terms from the same OER, I can explore and learn on my own. So that is the one. Yeah, as you said, you can also add it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
See, there
So
is
these
no
are
hard and fast rule. You should add it here. The only reason is we wanted to promote self-learning among the students through these OERs. That is the only reason. You can add
okay.
anywhere, Amma, no issues.
Okay, ma'am.
And if it is always at the back matter, so you also have been through the student phase, right?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many times you opened your back matter and gone through the index part or gone through the all those parts? Rarely we
Okay, okay. Rarely. Yes, ma'am.
rarely we do that. As a student, rarely we do that. Mhm.
Okay, okay.
So that is the
Oh,
reason we wanted to promote self-learning among the students. That's the only logic I had in my mind when we wanted to have this at the front as the print matter. That's it.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, you want to demonstrate or you want to make Bhishma work on this? Because
If they have doubts, I can demonstrate, ma'am.
no, no, no.
Otherwise, you can go.
Let Bhishma take controls. You guide him. That's how we train our faculty members. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Bhishma, you
Okay, ma'am.
have access to one this book, no? Introduction to Financial Analysis.
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay, okay. So take the controls. You guide him, Rajeshwari. See,
Okay, ma'am.
this is what I expect from the team members. Not only you've learned something, not only you just present your training session, let others also learn. Empowering
Okay.
the team is also important.
Okay, I'm stop sharing, Bhishma.
Yeah. Okay.
Naresh, make Bhishma also as admin. You have access
Okay,
now,
madam.
Naresh.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Okay, give him control. The reason we didn't give you Bhishma because I wanted to see your work, but you never explored. Though we gave you one book and made you as the sole
I
author.
just only prepared this that starting front matter and all.
No. Initially, when we introduced, I mean, Rajesh introduced press books to you, we thought you will work on that and do something. That is the reason we didn't give. Otherwise, there is no particular reason not giving admin compulsory. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So generally, how do we do? What we do? Oh yeah, what you are doing is right. Visit that chapter or go to that book and go to a particular chapter and scroll down and click on scroll down. No need to read book. Go back. Always scroll down and pick one chapter. Say for example, okay. So here
She
she has
already
already
done.
added the
I'll
word
take one.
corporation. Okay.
There's a content like introduction.
No. Go to the next chapter. Down you have the arrows left and
Open
Yes,
it in
ma'am.
a new
Yes, ma'am.
window. Open it in a new window,
okay.
Bhishma, so that every time you can't.
Okay. So what are the key terms you need to identify?
Balance
Rajeshri, help
sheet,
me.
net income, common shareholder.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how do you find OERs on Google? So if we want to add a glossary term net income. So for that, we wanted to take information from net income is a two word, not a single word, right? Okay. So now here, Rajeshri, would you
Yes,
like
ma'am.
to train Bhishma on this? Net income is a two word. Then what should
Yeah.
we do? If our keyword is a phrase, then what should we do? Hey, by the way, Naresh, where is your OER certificate, Naresh?
ఇంకా కాలే మేడం చేస్తున్నా.
ఎన్ని రోజులు మీరు ఓఎర్ ట్రైనింగ్ మీతో ఇప్పిస్తాను నేను అసలు వీళ్ళ ఇద్దరితో కాదు.
సరే మేడం. ఓకే.
ఏ ఇది రాజేశ్వరి.
Yes, ma'am.
Search tip for Bhishma.
Yeah.
Net
Advanced
income.
search.
No.
Net income is a one word.
No,
One word it is.
No, it's not a one word. It's a two word. We
It's a
call it
two
as a
word
phrase.
only.
So if you have how many number of records are there, Bhishma, count
It's
total?
around 1 million around.
1 million. One of you
somewhere.
please note down the numbers. 112. After 112, how many zeros we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Here we have a search tip. We call it as phrasal search. When
Yeah.
you have two words, what you need to do is place your cursor before net and use double quotes. Put the phrase in double quotes.
And at the end also.
You forgot that, Rajeshri.
No, ma'am. I'm
Then
telling.
this is the tip.
Now it's 362.
Yeah.
After 362, how many zeros? Only 5 zeros.
Only 5 zeros.
So that is the tip. So
Okay.
what could be the reason? Any guesses?
Ma'am, because this
Only
is a
the
phrasal
particular
term,
word.
and it's this wherever this particular terminology is used, it's only displaying that one only.
Earlier, what did Google do?
Earlier Google, it took all the areas where net income is applicable.
I didn't get to. All areas means?
It may be finance, it may be taxes.
No. Wrong. So your answer, Rajeshri, and your answer, Naresh.
నెట్ ఇన్కమ్ మీద ఎన్ని డెఫినేషన్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని షో చేసింది మేడం ఫస్ట్ వన్.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసింది?
ఓన్లీ నెట్ ఇన్కమ్ సింగిల్ వర్డ్ గా తీసుకొని చూపిస్తుంది అది.
So somewhat correct. What you said is correct. Earlier it took wherever you have net on one record, on one web resource, income on another resource. So that is the reason the count was more than 7 zeros or something. Now it has taken these two words together. That is the reason we call it as phrasal search. Okay, this is the tip you should also train your faculty members on. They know because I have already trained them on this phrasal search multiple times. But whenever you take this, what is this?
Ma'am, Leena ma'am, just a message put in.
This forward this to later. You can later
okay.
you can attend. Okay, no issues. Or
Okay.
Naresh, in the meanwhile, you can. No. Okay, let Naresh also follow this OER searching. What's the next step?
The filter on chair, madam.
Where is the filter? No. Gear icon. Settings.
Yeah.
Click on advanced search. Okay. So then, no, not required. No need to change that. Scroll down to the
Advanced search.
usage right. No. Scroll down to the
Sorry.
usage rights. You need to apply the filter, right?
Yeah.
So you didn't practice. You just learned from that course. Huh? Scroll down to the usage rights. Last part. Okay.
Free to.
Wikipedia is maximum.
But what is our requirement? We forgot to add the word glossary. After that phrase, you also add the word glossary and again apply the filter.
Okay.
No, not within the bracket. Space, and glossary. No, I think wrong spelling. It's already liberated. No. First apply the filter. Check whether I think it's already a filter is already applied. Usage rights. Yeah. Okay.
Lumen learning.
Right click and yeah. So we get lots of stuff from Lumen Learning. So their model is they design and develop courses exclusively based on the open educational resources.
Here net can come. They have given.
So the next step is, what's the next step? Rajesh, please help him out.
Yeah. Now you go to the web page like ebook content where that word is there. Click on edit option. Select the word net income and click on the icon GL, that is glossary.
On the visual editor, you have last. Yeah.
So there, if you are creating a new term, so let it be. It is already under the choice of create and insert. There, the description, under the description box, you have to get the definition from there, like from the source. Now you have searched for it. Only the definition.
Only the definition. Term is already
copy
there.
and paste. Now insert it. So you have got you have created.
Before saving, you can preview. Bhishma. Click on the button preview if you want to preview. Click on that.
So it will be displayed on that.
Okay, good.
So this is the.
So now you can go back to the previous tab and save it.
Save it.
See, can you see, as Rajesh explained, now we are in the edit mode. That is the reason there you get the glossary code and glossary idea. And second method, Rajeshri, on the same page.
Yeah.
From the dashboard. Yeah. You tell him.
Yeah. Already existing term can be edited, ma'am.
No. From this tool, how to add a glossary term.
Again, we have to select this one.
Yeah.
Then go to GL and here choose existing term. As net income, it's already there. So we'll click on insert. So that as the source is already present in the previous one, so by default it will take it.
It will take it. That's
so if we check the preview, then here, here also it's coming. And click. It's coming.
And
this is the second method. And third one is the list.
Save it, Bhishma. It's not already saved. Okay. So next method is tool. Rajeshri also introduced us the tool how to use the glossary of terms from the dashboard. Where is the dashboard?
Here, glossary terms. Click on the glossary terms.
Glossary terms.
Yeah, left side. Under
on the dashboard, under organize. Yeah.
There.
So okay, go on, Rajesh.
So these are the already created. Here you wanted to add again the term, new term. Click on the add new option there.
Topmost. So no. Rajeshri, what is the homework to be done? What you need to do is you need to skim through or go through one chapter and identify the key terms first, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Identify the key terms first and find some definition from OER and then start this third process using the glossary of terms tools. Okay.
Ma'am, one thing I did, like I have not searched by terms wise, ma'am. I have searched by book wise, ma'am. Introduction. For every book, I'll do the same thing only. So, like directly, I have searched by Introduction to Financial Analysis, glossaries in the press books. I'll give the title like this, ma'am, in the
No,
Google
no.
search.
If the term is available or not, that is the better way is how did Bhishma start? Go to that
Yeah. Yes.
particular chapter and identify the key terms. Sometimes
Yes, ma'am.
the key terms. So the book is readily available. That is the reason. At the end of the book itself, you have scroll down to the chapter. View the chapter, Bhishma. So no. Scroll down to any chapter and click on that. Go back to the main page. Why do you want to scroll down and you are working on one chapter?
Down.
Click on that. So there is a box item with the key terms already there. But generally, you don't find all this one. Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Which chapter you are working on?
Okay.
Okay, any chapter. Any chapter. You click on any chapter. Click on any chapter, Bhishma. No issues.
Yes.
So that's what, ma'am. Key terms will not be given in all the books, no, ma'am. So when they are not
Not the
giving the
but
key terms,
here you have that scroll down to you have a text box at the end. So you've seen in one chapter. Okay, not this. That was biology book. Sorry, not on in this book. Say, for example, what I advise is if you click on a chapter, here we have the word audit, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, what are the key terms you identify first? Then, based on that, you search. As you said,
Yeah,
you can
ma'am.
search.
I mean, as you mentioned, every topic we need to see, and we have to check like this balance sheet is there. Then
Yes.
statements, balance. What is? I mean,
Sometimes you may
like
not get an entire textbook with the same title, Rajeshwari.
these
Yes, ma'am. We
terms,
are not
madam.
getting one. Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes that is the reason.
I may not know what is this term veracity and
Yeah, veracity.
accuracy, but what is veracity? So like these stuff terms we need to find and prepare.
Yeah.
So one more thing, ma'am, when I'm not getting in the same book name, so some linking to the financial analysis, we are getting the topics. So I'm taking that book there, like vice versa, I'm doing, ma'am. There I'm taking the terms, key terms, and searching in this in our book and including the terms, ma'am.
Okay. But general way, what we do is while writing a chapter, also what we do, these are all at the end of the chapter, I write because I have written self-learning material for open universities. So what I do while writing the chapter itself, I identify the key terms. So at the end, I add all the key terms and the definitions. That is the reason.
Yes, I'm doing vice versa.
Okay.
I thought it was the easiest way.
But the general practice is once you go through the content, then we'll identify it because we are
Yes.
also not from BBA or MBA, any commerce
Yes, ma'am.
background. No, so as a layman
Yes.
I
perspective.
mean, what Rajeshwari is doing is also one way, right? But it's a trial and error method. Maybe those words
Yes.
might be there
Yeah,
or may not be there.
May, yeah, may or may
May
not
not,
be there.
may not
may
be
not be
there.
there in the book.
Yes.
But this process takes time, but all the words will be present here.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah. That's what we follow when writing the textbooks for open universities. I have been following the same practice for almost 12 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you can do on your own.
That is, yeah, or using the term glossary term tool is the same thing. So adding a title and creating, but you have to click the option show in web list. Then only it will be displayed on the book.
Yeah, pick one more term and you want it. Working capital is there, no last word. So working, no. First search for the meaning from the OER. In the book, Lumen book, if you have that, Lumen book itself, you can search for that. If you sometimes you may find it. You open the Lumen book, right? Search for no in the Control F, not the entire book. Control F and working capital. It is an alphabetical order. You can scroll down and the glossary
No, this
itself
is
is
only the
It's not
easiest
there,
way,
ma'am.
ma'am. Control F.
it's not there.
Only capital will be there, I think. So.
No, only
Okay,
two
balance sheet
matches.
balance sheet is already there, no, on the Lumen Learning.
Yes,
So
ma'am, I have
you
created
can
it.
take that balance sheet. It's there.
No, I have created it, ma'am.
You have already
Balance sheet,
created, huh?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you
Balance
search
sheet
for
is there also.
you search for veracity. You scroll down and see. No, it's not
No,
there.
it's not.
That's
Licenses
not.
and attributions. Click on that license. Sometimes how do we find is if you open from there, you also get this. Link is there or not?
No, ma'am.
Accounting
Link.
principles. Okay. Then the other way is the similar way we did for the first one.
Attribution builder.
Search in the Google. Or financial, you can search for financial analysis glossary, Bhishma.
Yeah, that the same thing I did.
Financial analysis glossary. There you
Glossary.
can, from the key terms that you have identified from our book, you can search that.
In Pressbooks, you give the word in Pressbooks. Otherwise, we are getting some other things, ma'am. In Pressbooks.
Once you apply this filter also, it fetches the reports from Pressbooks also, not only
Ma'am,
from
but
Pressbooks.
exactly it is not giving, ma'am. I have searched. I like search for it.
Bhishma, you use that phrasal search. Bhishma, apply that phrasal search. Financial analysis in quotations.
The quotes.
Start from the first part. No. Start from the wrong. So you'll get Ajib behavior from Google. We tried this once in the reverse order. The results were different. Okay, search.
Risk analysis, accounting and finance.
On the chapter 11,
It is there.
financial management, I think last but second one, chapter 11.
Risk analysis is also there. The topic is there, ma'am, in this book.
Okay.
I have gone through some of the chapters.
Okay. So here, do we have a glossary here? Scroll down, Bhishma. Do you have a meaning or something?
Otherwise, click on the contents. Click on the contents where the glossaries are there.
No. I don't think they have, because they okay. Anyway, go to the
Some
course.
books are giving, ma'am. Some books are giving like glossaries as we are giving. See,
Okay.
ma'am, glossary
Click
of
on that
terms.
glossary of terms.
So from this, you find the words in our book. I did the same thing, ma'am. Reverse. So whatever words are there, I'm taking and inserting there.
Working capital is not here.
It's a reverse way of working. You may find venture capitalist.
Venture capitalist is here.
No, copy that venture capitalist and search in our book. You have that search box, no, at the top right. Search in the book. Yeah. Search. Nothing. Right. So what else you have in the glossary? Actually, this is not the right way.
Variability is there.
Okay, search for variability. Value preposition.
But to be fair, I'm doing like perfectly this one only I'm doing, ma'am, in all the books.
No. See, you may not get.
Yeah, I'm not getting, but
see here also nothing for. This is not the right way. Search for glossary term with that balance sheet. I think she is already in the Google search for. It's already there, no? She's already added balance
already
sheet.
there.
It is there.
Not that Bhishma. In the Google itself, use the phrasal term working capital and glossary. And then apply the filter. Don't try with the Pressbooks. Remove that in Pressbooks. Okay. Hit enter and apply the filter. Yeah, usage rights. Okay. Right click and open the first one. Right click and open the first one. We'll see. Meanings are available here. Here we have, no?
Yes.
Search for Control F, Bhishma, or you can scroll down till W.
Working capital.
So here itself is the two definitions. Huh?
Okay, then you can go through and whichever is detailed, then you can get it. Can you
Yes.
scroll down and check whether CC BY license, Creative Commons license is available?
CC BY SA.
So how
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you
Attribution.
generate the attribution? You know how to do that?
Yes, ma'am. That day we, I mean,
Using in the
I-
open attribution builder.
open attribution.
So similar way, Rajeshri has added in the front matter sources of glossary. You need to generate the attribution and add over there. Okay.
Okay.
That is one. So now from here you can copy this and use the tool glossary of terms and add a new term. Working capital. Working capital. Scroll down. So this is how it works. So you identify the key terms from our book and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
search for. Okay.
Okay.
Defined as the difference between the current assets, current liabilities, excluding short-term debt. So I think the first one is, you can copy this and
I have one question. Again, they are also mentioning one source.
copy
Right?
everything. But anyway,
Okay.
we'll be giving the original source as this only. No, you can copy.
Okay. Everywhere they have mentioned the source.
Actually, actually they have taken from multiple sources.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's why they have given mixed market.
Most probably we'll get in the LibreText, ma'am. All the glossaries will be available.
LibreText.
Yes, ma'am.
They also have HYP Studio. I have
Yes,
they have given access to that LibreText HYP Studio also. I have access. I can create HYP and upload to their studio. I need to work on that.
LibreText, next one comes with the Lumen, ma'am.
Lumen Learning.
Yeah, only these two will be like most of the words we can find there.
Okay, copy that working capital definition, Bhishma. Show us how to add this to the tool. Which one you prefer?
This one only, because down they have given one small case. I mean, company's investment and current
Example.
assets. That's the example they have given.
Okay, you can add 2 terms, no issues. To our book. Okay, first you start with that. Okay, and instead of okay, copy this. We'll add as 2 terms only, not a single term. Similar way they did that. So go to the dashboard of this book. Click on the admin. Click on the admin part. Okay, from the dashboard, under the organized navigation menu, you have.
Select the chapter where the working capital is there.
No, from the organized menu, you get this. Glossary of terms. Click on glossary of terms. Glossary terms. Click on glossary terms. Click on organize and click on glossary terms.
Terms.
Add a new term. Working capital. Create. The right side you have that create. Okay. What's the next step?
Save.
Already saved. What's the next step?
So we have to check where that working capital is there and insert that one.
In the search box, search for working capital. So right click and open a new tab because you have multiple chapters. Open on each chapter. Click on each chapter. Right click and open a new tab. Okay, now search for working capital.
Control F.
Okay, now scroll down and click on the button edit.
Edit option.
Go to the edit mode. Okay, now Rajeshri will guide you. So what are the next steps, Rajeshri?
Yeah, working capital income. Click on GL. Choose in existing term and insert.
And you can also search for you can also search for Control F mark. You can search for working capital again. If you have multiple
wherever terms, it is applicable available, you can insert just.
Four matches it is showing. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
select
4
and
times. Include
link with the existing glossary term.
same
Select
that GL again. This one only,
insert.
right?
Same thing.
Save.
no for all
Ma'am,
the
but
four.
per page, only once can be given, no, ma'am. Why all the words in the one page?
No, see, for example, if I miss the first paragraph, if I scroll down and read another paragraph.
Oh, okay. Okay.
See, as I said earlier, we all already
Yes,
passed
yes,
through the
exactly,
stage,
ma'am. Yes,
Rajeshwari,
yes, ma'am.
student page.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Student
may
page.
be interested in the last part of this page.
Okay.
Okay, sometimes in the first part of the page. So
Yes.
wherever.
It didn't take or what?
No, no, no. It took. See, first one you can see.
No, first one it took. The rest all.
Huh.
There were
I
Control
think
four,
you.
no?
I think you didn't include.
Control F.
This one is there. This one is there.
This one is also there,
More two are there.
but you didn't link. I think.
I
No,
linked, I guess.
no, click on edit again.
Once you check.
Click on edit.
Control F1
It,
search.
Here it didn't take.
No,
you didn't link
scroll
it.
down and click on edit.
Okay.
Now search for working capital again.
Took here.
So it
Only
took
one
four.
term it took. See, only one term it has.
Two terms it took, man, only. Out of four, it took
Ah.
only two.
So
You
when
selected. You
two
selected
terms,
two types.
you selected two times. You wanted to make it as a bulk activity. Yeah, it doesn't allow us to do bulk activity. Sorry.
bulk one
okay.
by one.
You select one by one. So smart, eh? It's already there. Go to the third one. Working capital, third one. Yeah. So you can, if you can write a code, it will allow you to make this as a bulk activity. You should learn WordPress. It's a simple only. WordPress is not that difficult programming.
There
Yeah.
it's-
Again, Control F. Select the next one.
It's already there.
Next. Enter.
It
Next.
took wrong.
Huh?
You clicked to create a new term. You didn't choose the term. Once check it, see it has been not created. Vishma, you'd have
Select the word first.
select the word.
No, you should select the word first. Cancel.
Yes.
Cancel.
It's been highlighted. You need to select the word. You
Okay.
uncheck the highlight. Now you select the word. Okay.
Yeah, now it is.
Now Control F. Go to the next. You have downward and upward arrow for that search box. No, next to the working capital. Search box. Left side below.
Down, bottom of.
Left below.
Yeah.
Left.
You are finding Control F, Bhishma.
Control F. You have
Control F.
Control
Down
F.
it is.
Control F. You have upward and downward arrow. Next. So use that and find all those. Okay.
Okay.
It's already there. Next.
It's already there.
It's already
That's
there.
why only
Done.
four are
Done.
there, so those are
Okay,
done.
save.
Done with the
Save.
four
Now
are-
you can preview. Got all those, huh?
One.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the last activity we need to do is
Create a
You-
list. Like
you need to add this to the back matter, right?
yes,
How do
ma'am.
we
Back
do that?
Here I have already added back matter.
So
I'll show you.
I'll stop
Click
my.
organize.
Okay.
Click organize. At last, scroll down.
no need to scroll up. You have the button. Scroll up, Ishma. Click on the back matter.
Yeah,
Click on the back
it is
matter
there.
button.
Back matter.
This one.
That's an button you have.
Yeah. There I have already added as an add new. I'll just
What is
show
that
you an
no title
example.
glossary? What is that no title glossary? Delete that trash. Which one you are using?
Glossary only, ma'am.
You earlier we saw only two, no? Okay. Oh. So what you need to do is you can trash it. Let him trash.
Okay, ma'am.
Let
Okay.
him try on
Okay,
his
ma'am.
own. Okay.
Okay.
So now you guide him. What should be done?
Add new and give add a title as glossary. Now right side of the page, back matter type is there. You can see just below
Yeah,
the
this one.
right side of the web page. Here, back matter type. There you will have number of options. There you have to click as glossary.
Okay.
Glossary. Yeah. Now create and save. Create. Save the option.
Unless you add this to the back matter, the glossary will not be visible to our students.
Visible. Yeah. See, automatically all the terms will be added to the glossary types.
Okay.
Because we have selected the word glossary in the back matter type, all the glossary terms will be added to the glossary section.
So these all are the actually, where were all the videos, training videos, Rajeshwari? We had training videos. No, we had training for I think 2 batches of the faculty members on Pressbooks. Naresh, where are those live stream videos?
It is there, ma'am. Morning we saw it. FAQs also were there.
Not FAQs, faculty members training videos.
Same, madam, in IB 2021, MBPL 2021, 2022, madam. I will check it once.
We have already added all these videos.
Yes, madam.
Videos. Because this is a separate training for only selected faculty members on Pressbooks, no? Not for all the faculty members.
Okay, madam. I am cross-checking once where it is available.
Okay.
I think MAB will 2021 only, ma'am, because I checked yesterday.
We have already added. Okay. Okay, three of us were there, but Bhishma was not there. No, Bhishma didn't join
yes,
them, right?
Yes,
okay. Let him go through and go through the videos of Bhishma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and work on your test. What is that? You go to your My Books. What are the books you have? Click on My Books.
Business communication
Practice,
and all
that
those.
is, which one is your practice book?
This one, testing one.
No, I directly gave the book Introduction to Financial Science.
Now I am working on this one.
No, don't work on this. So watch all the videos and create one more book on your own with chapters and all the structure you should first understand.
Okay.
If you click on organize, then you will be able to see what is the front matter, what are the chapters. Click on organize. What is the part? What is the difference between part and chapter and all? So you can go through my PPT also. I think PPT is also there. Have we shared the PPT, Rajeshwari, on the MEBL book, MEBL course page? My PPT on Pressbooks, it's there or not?
Yes.
Pressbooks, 1 second.
You stop sharing your screen now. Naresh, does Bhishma have the controls, admin controls now?
Yes, madam, already given right now.
Okay. So now you have full controls, Bhishma. Share your screen, Naresh, and show us that MEBL 2021. I think somewhere I have added. I don't remember whether we have added. So we started with this Pressbooks initiative. Now faculty members are writing all the textbooks for IBS.
Class. Yeah, creating a glossary is there.
ఎక్కడ ఉంది రాజేష్ సార్ ఎంబీబీఎల్ 2021
ఎంబీబీఎల్ 2021 లోనే లాస్ట్ లో ఉంది చూడు, కానీ అక్కడ పీపీటీ అనేది లేదు నరేష్.
Pressbooks అమ్మా. I don't think we shared this in this. Search for Pressbooks, control F for Naresh. Naresh, go to your YouTube channel.
Pressbooks అనేది లేదు మ్యామ్ ఇందులో. Pressbooks లేదు కానీ నిన్న నేను చూసాను.
We multiple times we trained the faculty members, right?
Yeah, last March and April 2021, March and April, the same work was going on, no ma'am. Only training on this only.
Faculty training.
Yes ma'am.
So search for Pressbooks or IBS ebooks. title may be different.
Just before I was taking maternity leave only, I contacted like many 2-3 faculty members contacted on the doubts, ma'am.
iBooks, if not ebooks, iBooks, Naresh. Simply search for books. Developing interactive books, it's there, no, it's showing something. Interactive books. Search for it. Interactive. Semester 2, what are those? No. Remove that books. Interactive. Click on that.
Creating interactive video.
Day 1, day 2. Training on developing down.
HYP, ma'am, that is.
No, this one. Semester 2 faculty training on developing. These all are day wise. Open this. No, this is ebooks. 6-9 September. Yeah. Okay, share these videos.
Okay, yeah, that's what, ma'am. Just before taking a leave only.
Okay. Through email. Although I think 2-day workshop. That was Rajeshwari.
2-day only, ma'am. But
2 batches.
we have
so 4
one...
videos should be there, Naresh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
You share all those videos.
1,
okay.
2, 3,
on Saturday, I think one video was taken because some of the faculty members were having some exam, I think. So once we took on Saturday only.
Okay, madam. I share this.
Okay, share all this. Okay, then.
Okay.
So what are the activities you want to assign to the team members? Make sure that Rajeshri, they learn from you. Okay, after this. Okay. Tomorrow you help them out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone should be well versed with all the functionalities, what we train on, what the sessions we take on. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone should be at least 70-80% confident on the same theme or topic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we boasted in that who uses Pressbooks in India. Only IBS uses Pressbooks. Good, Anishi. Okay.
Okay.
Good, Amma. Okay, bye.
Bye.